So what is Budbee app? So it's like green and easy online shopping. So you can just tap get and then you'll just be able to install this app. All you need for shopping and delivery. Um, so yeah, track your parcels in real time, box or home always with easy returns, effortless home deliveries. Budbee makes sure your parcels are delivered to your doorstep in the greenest possible way. Your packages will be delivered during the afternoon, evening, since that's most people are at home. But B Box never miss a scene. We are flexible, so yeah, it's kind of one of these deliveries companies which you can explore, and then yeah, you can just enter your phone number. This company is mostly right now available in Scandinavia and also Netherlands, Belgium, and then you can just create your account here with your phone number, and that's how you get started.